play.
I'm gonna win the big race because I'm going to cheat. My trouble bubbles will carry everyone far, far away. Then the only truck in the race will be me. Me! And I'll be the champion!
Wow, that was close. We almost got carried away by Crusher's trouble bubbles. But where are Zeg and Darrington? Uh-oh.
Help!
Zeg!
Oh no! I've got to save my friends so they can get back in the race.
Not if I can help it.
We need your help to save Zeg. Wait, what? I'm coming for you, Zeg. Watch out for rocks, crates, and coconuts. If we hit one, we'll slow down. I'm a jump-loving, yeah! Awesome! Remember to keep time to transform into a jackhammer so we can use its sharp wedge to crack open obstacles. Each time we do a trick, our Let's Blaze booster fills, so we should do as many tricks as we can. Remember to keep collecting silver tires and gears along the way.
You, up here!
Let's go help Zeg. I'm one tricked out truck. Yes! Awesome! Yes! Each time we do a trick, our Let's Blaze booster fills, so we should do as many tricks as we can. Whoops! Awesome! I think I see Zeg up ahead, and a ramp. Press the right arrow key for blazing speed. Let's blaze!
Zeg free! Please save Zeg! Zeg thankful!
Aw, anytime. Now I've got to find Darrington before the big race starts.
Zeg see Blaze at race! Skip!
We need to race through the fields to find Darrington. Look out! Crusher is launching barrels, rubber tires, and bouncy balls at us. Let's go help Darrington. Yes! Woohoo! I'm a wrecking crane monster machine. The force from swinging my wrecking ball will smash anything Crusher throws at us. Awesome! Uh-oh! Each time we do a trick, our Let's Blaze booster fills, so we should do as many tricks as we can. Remember, if you see a gear, drive over it to help me transform. Woohoo!
Darrington! A little help
Let's
here.
go help Darrington. Each time we do a trick, our Let's Blaze booster fills, so we should do as many tricks as we can. Yes!
Darrington! This is not my idea of a good stunt.
Let's go help Darrington. Awesome! Remember, if you see a gear, drive over it to help me transform. Each time we do a trick, our Let's Blaze booster up ahead. I think I see Darrington and another ramp. Quick, press the right arrow key for blazing speed. Let's blaze! Darrington. Now we have to get back to the Monster Dome to meet Zeg for the big race.
See you guys soon!
All right! We made it back just in time for the big race.
Thanks for helping us, Blaze.
Me want to race.
I wanted to be the only one in the race. Me! Well, I still have some icky, sticky tricks that will slow you all down so I can win and be the champion!
Oh no! Crusher's going to cheat!
Zeg not lie.
Don't worry, guys. We can do this. Catching up, Crusher.
Nah, can't catch me.
Look out! Crusher has dropped giant eggs, cheese balls, and fruit pies all over the track. We can't let Crusher cheat his way to victory. Remember to keep time to transform into a heavy road roller with the size and mass needed to roll over any of Crusher's obstacles. Each time we do a trick, our Let's Blaze booster fills. So we should do as many tricks as we can. Remember to keep collecting silver tires and gears along the way. Awesome! Let's blaze!
Blaze go fast.
Thanks, Zeg! Whoops! Each time we do a trick, our Let's Blaze booster fills. So we should do as many tricks as we can.
All right, Blaze! Way to go!
Thanks, Darrington! Yes! Awesome! Yes! Awesome! Yes! Remember to keep collecting silver tires and gears along the way. Uh-oh! Awesome! Yeah. The finish line is coming up. To get past Crusher, we need blazing speed. Press the right arrow key for blazing speed. Let's blaze! Woohoo!
You did it, Blaze! You won!
Yay for Blaze.
We're all so happy for you. Well, almost all of us.
But I wanted to be the best. I should have been first. That Blaze always wins.
Better luck next time, Crusher. Great job!